Doge sleep 8 hours. Wake up tired. Doge sleep 9 hours. Still tired. Doge sleep 10 hours. Also tired. At this point, Doge starting to think maybe sleep just broken. Maybe Doge just tired forever now. Maybe this is just life. Such accept. Very give up. But wait. Doge is not broken. Doge just making 5 mistakes every single day that secretly drain all his energy. And number 3 is so obvious. Doge going to feel genuinely embarrassed. Stay with Doge. He explain everything. Here is something nobody tell Doge. 8 hours of bad sleep is worse than 6 hours of good sleep. Doge been proud of sleeping 8 hours like a champion. Chest out. Very responsible, Doge. But if that sleep is broken, shallow, or interrupted, it is basically useless. Like charging your phone, but the cable is slightly loose. Doge wake up at 3% battery, wondering why. Very frustrating. Much confusion. So, the question is not how long Doge sleep. The question is what is destroying the quality of that sleep. And Doge about to find out. There are 5 things quietly draining Doge energy every single day. Doge probably doing at least 3 of them right now without realizing. Drain 1. Phone before bed. Doge lie in bed scrolling for 30 minutes before sleep. Very relaxing, very innocent. Except it is not. Blue light from phone screen tells Doge brain it is still daytime. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, gets delayed by up to 2 full hours. So, Doge fall asleep later, sleep lighter, and wake up groggy. Every single morning. And Doge wonder why he tired. Such mystery, very unsolvable. The phone was the villain the whole time. Drain 2. Blood sugar roller coaster. Doge eat sugary cereal for breakfast. Energy spike. Wow, such awake, very alive. Then, 40 minutes later, Doge crashed so hard he could fall asleep at his desk. This is called a blood sugar crash. When Doge eat processed food and sugar, blood sugar shoots up fast, then drops hard. That drop is what causes sudden extreme tiredness, especially after meals. Doge body spending all day going up and down like a roller coaster. Exhausting just to watch. Even more exhausting to live in. Drain 3. Doge is dehydrated. This is the embarrassing one Doge promised to warn about. Most Doge are mildly dehydrated almost every single day. And mild dehydration causes fatigue, brain fog, headaches, and low concentration. Not because Doge is sick. Not because something is wrong, just because Doge forgot to drink water. Such simple problem, such avoidable suffering. Doge carrying around a $200 problem that a glass of water could fix. Wow, much embarrassed. Drain 4. Chronic stress and high cortisol. Cortisol is Doge stress hormone. It is supposed to be high in the morning to wake Doge up and then drop low at night so Doge can rest. But modern Doge has cortisol elevated all day. From the moment Doge check phone in the morning, from work worries, from doom scrolling, from bad news, from too much coffee. High cortisol all day is like driving a car with the engine redlined from 9 a.m. to midnight. Eventually, the engine breaks. That breakdown is called burnout. And it feel exactly like being tired no matter how much Doge sleep. Such engine broken, very no recover. Drain 5. No sunlight in the morning. This one surprises most Doge. Doge wake up, go straight to phone, make coffee, start work. Never once go outside. Never once see actual daylight. Here is the problem. Morning sunlight is what sets Doge circadian rhythm for the entire day. Without it, Doge internal clock gets confused. Body does not know when it should be awake or when it should be asleep. Energy stays low all day. Sleep gets worse at night. And the cycle continues. Doge been treating himself like a plant that never gets watered. Very sad. Much unnecessary. Good news. Every single one of these drains has a simple fix. Doge not need to change his whole life. Just 5 small things. Fix 1. No phone 30 minutes before bed. Put it across the room. Face down. Silent. Melatonin starts rising naturally. Doge falls asleep faster. Sleep goes deeper. Such simple, very effective. Fix 2. Eat protein and fat in the morning. Eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, avocado. These foods keep blood sugar stable for hours. No spike, no crash, no falling asleep at desk. Energy stays smooth and consistent all day. Much better than sugary cereal. Doge taste buds may disagree. Doge body will thank him. Fix 3. Drink water immediately after waking. Before coffee, before phone, before anything. 1 large glass of water. This rehydrates Doge after 8 hours of not drinking. Immediately improves energy, focus, and mood. It is free. It takes 30 seconds. And yet, most Doge skip it every single day. Wow, such easy win. Fix 4. Manage cortisol deliberately. No phone for first 30 minutes after waking. 10-minute walk at some point during the day. No caffeine after 2 p.m. because caffeine keeps cortisol elevated for up to 8 hours. These 3 habits alone bring cortisol back to a healthy rhythm. Engine stops redlining. Energy comes back. Very straightforward. Much doable. Fix 5. Get outside within 30 minutes of waking. Even 5 minutes of morning sunlight outside. This sets Doge's circadian rhythm correctly for the whole day. Energy higher during the day. Sleeping deeper at night. It is literally free therapy from a giant ball of fire in the sky. Doge been sleeping on this, literally and figuratively. So now, Doge know the truth. Being tired is not about being lazy. It is not about needing more coffee. It is not just Doge being dramatic. It is 5 hidden drains stealing energy every single day. Fix the sleep quality. Stabilize blood sugar, drink water, manage cortisol, get morning sunlight. If Doge do this for 2 weeks, one morning he will wake up and think, wow, body feel good, such energy, very alive, much accomplished. Stay Doge.